It got cold. I think that he's cold. Maybe I'll put the poor bumblebee. There's a lot of flowers over here, maybe. Let's see if I can find a nice little bed for him for the night. This looks good. See you, buddy. I hope he's okay. I think it's just really cold. It was hot yesterday and now it's cold over here in Connecticut.